Under Support Services, tickets or received support requests can be managed. It is possible to view the ticket number, by whom it was sent, how long it has been open, the priority, the group to which it is assigned, and the description of the problem. In addition, it is possible to change the priority or group and assign the ticket to a specific operator. By clicking on the icon of Supremo, a remote connection can be initiated. Without having to enter the device ID and password, the remote customer must first authorize the connection. It is possible to enter notes to be shared with your team. In the Organizations section, it is possible to associate email domains with the relevant companies. In this way, the name of the client company will be displayed in the ticket and, by hovering the mouse cursor over it, the name of the requester will be displayed. Once the support activity has been completed, the ticket can be closed by clicking on the padlock.